Hello everyone, so we actually are doing the work in the Hilux 2012, and we are replacing the old reverse camera with the new reverse camera. So you can see here it's an old reverse camera, and it was fit, not straight not straight from the turbo up to the middle center. So actually the center point is here, okay, right here, which is 5 centimeter from the old camera. 5 centimeter is nothing, but actually it will make the camera stay a little bit off to the right side. We will fit the new camera right here. Our new camera will stay right and straight, in the middle like this at the end, okay. And we will adjust and also even might create the bracket to make sure the new camera will stay very right position, that it won't get the top cover of the tray into the screen while happening to see the turbo down here, in the screen. So stay tuned and we'll see you soon in the next video.